In this video, we're going to go over how to add standardized tests to the Cal State Apply application. We're also going to go over the A through G matching section to show you how to make sure you're meeting our minimum requirements. In the second quadrant of Cal State Apply is the academic history section, and under that you have an opportunity to add any standardized tests. This includes ACT, SAT scores, AP scores, etc. Although we don't require any of these test scores to be eligible for admission, you are welcome to report them. In this example, I will show you how to add an AP exam score and an SAT score. So for this AP score, I am going to report that I took AP Biology. I'm going to report that I've already taken the exam, but you can also put no if you're planning to take these exams in the future. I'm going to indicate that I took this exam in May of 2024 and I earned a 5. You have the option to save and add as many as you'd like. And you'll see it right here. Now I'm going to add an SAT score. I'm going to put that I did already take this score in early October. And I'm going to enter in my score for the reading and writing portion as well as the math portion. Once you hit save, you should see a list of all of your exams that you have taken or plan to take in the future. Now we're going to move on to the A through G matching section of the application. This section is going to show you if you've met all of our A through G requirements based on how you entered in your courses on the high school and college coursework sections prior, which is touched on in a separate video. This is really important because you want to make sure you're meeting these minimum requirements before submitting the application. So for example, looking at this student here, they are meeting all of the minimum requirements except 4 years of English. Here you can see I only have 3 years of English. So in that case, that's going to make me click on this, which is update the A through G courses, so we can see what's going on. Now, previously, if you're attending a California high school and you select your courses from the drop-down menu, these classes are already going to populate the category for you, which is really nice. However, if you have any kind of college coursework, like for example, this reading and composition class, it is not going to manually match this for you. So for this student's example, they are using this reading and composition class as their 4th year of English. So I need to manually type in B to match it to the English category. And all of the categories are listed here on the side for you. So once I hit save, I can go back to the summary, and now you can see I have 4 years worth of English and I'm meeting the rest of the A through G criteria.